Oh, I think I got it. So we've been hearing this thing inside the wall, and it's just a little bird. He can't do much. Look at him. Hey, buddy, buddy, buddy. So now I got to stick my hand inside there and try to take him out without hurting him. Obviously, that's the main objective, is not to hurt the little guy. Hey, buddy.
Aww.
Come here. How are you, buddy?
Oh, it's a bird, it's a bird.
Hey, it's okay. All right, buddy? It's okay. We're going to take you outside. We're going to release you. Very calm. You know they just saved your life, didn't you? Calm down. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Cheers.